Yes, you can use a flat cup plunger to unclog a sink, but you need the right technique and a tight seal to make it work. Start by choosing a flat cup plunger designed for sinks, not a flange plunger which is for toilets. Block the overflow hole with a wet rag or duct tape to prevent air from escaping and to increase force. If it is a double sink, seal the other drain with a stopper or another wet rag so pressure stays in the clogged side. Fill the sink with 2 to 3 inches of warm water to cover the plunger cup because water transmits force better than air. Place the cup over the drain, press down gently to expel air, then plunge with steady vertical strokes for 15 to 20 seconds, lift to test flow, and repeat up to 3 cycles. If plunging fails, remove the trap under the sink by placing a bucket beneath, loosening the slip nuts by hand or with channel locks, and clearing the trap and drain arm with a bottle brush or a hand auger. The most common mistake is using the wrong plunger shape, which breaks the seal and wastes effort. Switch to a flat cup plunger for sinks and reserve the flange plunger for toilets. Another mistake is forgetting to seal the overflow or the second basin, which vents pressure. Block those openings tightly with a wet rag or stopper before you start. A third mistake is plunging against a completely solid blockage like a hard object or a heavy grease plug. When you suspect that, stop plunging and open the trap to clear it manually or use a hand auger for controlled cutting and retrieval. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier to match your plumbing job with local contractors when a clog is beyond do-it-yourself. Our site helps homeowners find trusted local pros and helps contractors find work. And we also host a discussion community where we share tips, tools, and real repair experiences.